artery. I actually have a couple of capillaries here. This should be more of an artery, okay? Okay, this is definitely a vein. This is definitely a duct, okay?
So that's the artery up there?
So you're saying the vein is really, really big.
It doesn't, you can't go by size.
Okay, you can't go by size, you guys.
You can't go by size because it really depends on where you're going to do the section between them. Okay?
Let's do another.
Wait. Why the laughter?
The purple around the edge. So here what you're going to have is that a vein or an artery or a capillary, these are all going to be lined with the simple squamous. Do you see how the nuclei are just kind of these flattened, like eggs, like little fried eggs all along here? There I've got the nucleus. Here I've got another one. There I've got another one. So this is going to be completely lined with a simple squamous.
Tell them how they're going to know
I have
the
a very
difference.
thin layer, and if you remember when we were talking about arteries and veins, okay, we had in the artery, when we were talking about the layers, okay, we had 3 layers in arteries and veins, okay? We had was it adventitia? What was it that we called them?
Yeah.
Adventitious and outerly.
Okay, we had the adventitia, and then we're going to have, but there was a special word that we used for the term of the layers, laminas, okay? So there were the laminas in the arteries and the veins, okay? So the muscularis, the muscular layer of the artery is going to be much, much thicker than the muscular layer in the vein, and that's how you're going to be able to distinguish a vein from an artery.
Or the
okay?
infundibulum.
Okay, so there we've got this thin, and you can see from here to here, that's a very thin layer of smooth muscle, and that's why this is a vein, okay?
Where's the muscle on the artery?
I don't have it. It's all this.
It's kind of broken up.
It's kind of broken up, okay? So I've got this kind of, but it's much, much thicker. You're going to have a thick layer of muscle around the duct as well. So the idea to distinguish, it's always difficult to distinguish the artery from the duct. The duct is going to be lined with a simple columnar. So a lot of times you can't quite make out the columnar, but you can definitely make out dark purple nuclei that are lining all of this in here. Okay? If you want to go get my microscope with the camera on it, and I'll try and find some better ones.
Do you have a different one?
That's the vein?
Okay, before she's...
that looks better.
Which
Yeah,
one
that one
is...
looks
You
pretty
guys,
good.
which one is the vein?
A big open space.
This is a better one.
The big guy up there.
Big.
Okay,
That's the
which
vein.
one is the...
The duct is down there.
Right over there,
That's right
right?
Well, both of those are ducts, aren't they?
Both of them are ducts. Correct.
Really?
Where's the
The
artery?
arteries are the smaller
Right.
ones.
There.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Wow.
I was gonna say the one on
See
the
that?
left.
You guys? So, you can, look, because I know in the slides that we have that...
You see here I've got another venule. Right?
Yeah, see that?
The slides that are on
There's another one.
that we have labeled.
So what's the
She gave
artery
us
then? Just
The
that?
duct, you can see that it looks lined with a slice,
Okay, so
a
get
cell.
to the three
Yeah,
questions, right?
it's a columnar.
Oh,
You can
okay,
see it's a
yeah.
columnar. Yeah, the duct will make, you'll have a difference.
Where's the
That one
artery?
you definitely see.
I
the
really
column.
can't make out the
cells.
artery very
Okay,
well
there
on
we
that
go.
one either.
Alright.
You
That's
can
the
definitely see the
problem.
column.
Just say it.
Yeah, but you can definitely see it.